Fucking hell. Fuck's sake, like. What are you doing, by? Fuck's sake, like. Oh yeah, are you not walking on the footpath? Please, woman. Oh god.
You can't park there, sir.
Jesus Christ, woman. Give me a bit of space. Don't pull out the junction if you can't see it in the first place. Oh. Oh, no! Whoa! What a dodgy cunt. Oh shit, what the fuck? Is that person drunk? Woo! Fucking hell. Ah, Christ, Qashqai, what the fuck? That is some shocking driving. I can't find no silver lining. Why are you indicating there? Oh my god, that's fucking so bad. But what can you do, Mr. Old Man? Trying to cut across me. Sound for that, bye. Come on. Fucking hell, like. Jesus Christ, woman. That's a stop sign there. What are you doing? Why did you do that, like? Whoa, fucking hell, girl. Oh, Jesus Christ! Come on, put a little shade of that. Woo! Dodgy, lad. What the fuck? Two lanes. What are you doing? Oh my god. That was disgraceful. It's a weird looking Corolla, like. Straight through the red light too. So this is one of the lights that doesn't detect bikes and cyclists. See, the lights will change to green as soon as this goes over the line. There you go. You just have to brake lights when you drive a motorcycle, it just does not make sense. Hey, VFR!